Si ikarare ka jodong wacha mo bedo nyalwa torwa cha papo wacha ono your nano responsibility role of a family me bedo ka me gicho and chodang no ye kitunu but gina me pire tek i family o bedo trust bedo amege no ngata unity bedo kere of which ka unity in a family ini neno jami du baber me godushu. Now where confusion comes koketi amegeni nite ko ni chope we hogino pa yo. You see sometimes an marko bijom ando pa marko bien ja marko ka ini woro gin pe wan gin pe we hogino cha ke ni wor galo wai apon chenne chenda no pe komi eto ngatra wili kon almost clear chere te duoga me mer da ko pe binu nyangi ko ni yinu ne ni pe chenne. So that is the reason me ana te binu we ko mato ko because if you love me itipita while my family is suffering is not right. Mon me na machel so me an ka gramor pe wor kan or ana beru pa kan okay me na mario tie kiti a family that is built in lack of trust family no pe chung bien mena machel ka da ko do pe geni cho da hanen chen me ba be me bien de tama ni no moran gira ya ko tunga tungale I chodang also the same pe ko ni how can I invest in the wife ame ayada ko ni no more so monu kelo lack monu en gina de lo ni lack of trust enter in a family nela ko ni a family amedon kara chelo bedo ichani in if you want to build a family and you get respect you as a man and a woman you come together and build your family together. You will not get a ready-made man I need a bedi coach. You will not get a ready-made woman I need a bedi coach. Take up tieni however much ibinu ni mara wek lo you be tenge let love lead. Let love lead. Begin to build from where you have started. Biblically Bible ko ni cho we hopa per ke to tere ginte binu ni beta beru komadi. Teko berti ni ichaku unu gero jama gera. Teko berti ni nyako yai background apart. Ina yai background apart. Ibini te na uri chako na una na kiriu and then you push on. Memi you jamming on. Water bear. You see that? Ichake ni nyako ya ipashe mo lo kere lo hapo redo yin ponyi me mi beru ngati beru ichake no ponyi kere biru undu yi binu ne no wiwa binu beru kara di ichake unu ponyu kirewu itena unu now a quality of a good husband is where there is a loophole ame tamani da horomo timo give her a chance deko bani ni kai ke kero daho pay encouraging daho me better whatever the resources you have kobeniba this is what I have chaginoro start a business akonyo inyute ni business ni tie me konyo ginore matiteno a good family bedo ke the roles and responsibility da be ron ko ni aduong business mi oni akonyo meti mujamba titeno ni yoti ko de focus in chulo pan ka de tino tie are you seeing that iten oni everything is balance ento ka ngati mana ko man mera kena family bedo the challenges ado mi chani most people are not joame unyo were mostly joame unyo were akate we konyom magido pe yebedo ke daho is because of your chani neno family that you become family is a bondage family bedo bondage ka jo petiania make your koni your neni choba is a source of everything. Now, kame mara miro betie invest on something. Ini choni na mori beda pe. Aneno monna pola nu neno ka geno ka chok gi ken in everything. Ichani chok gi there no more. Talk. They are being abused by men. Men. Yoruni peda ngonga wari tino piantia mitu ginoro ngati cho ara ye yat ke de wiye petia tiu ginore cho amor mir but ke de mi chen and that is very dangerous And let me tell you, if you want to live a peaceful and a happy life, don't see me. Your private part, whether a boy or a man, whether a girl or a boy, whether a woman or a man, is a solution to your problem financially. You are finished. You are finished.
To my man.
That is the truth.
What did they?
True.
You are meeting and online. If yini bedi yo, ame moyo daho. Daka dita karmo niu ko. Ni is going to solve you problem. Piani miri boot kede. Nino moro ki ken na me watu bale uni daho ni ngoko jamino du. That's the truth. That is the truth. You will vomit it all.
Okay, cover.
So every issue of sugar mommy, sugar daddy, take the consequence, and consequence, did toro. Kay romi po ribura me pe yai. So kay hindi watching wa tieni equality of a good family obedo family ajo do it understanding each other. Tigi na chiela unity good unu. Ame dano ni otamu good do. Ingeo ginado kelo lack of communication. Kaki no tia me michu ko ba wotu ko. Okay? Now, achalo daho biblically joko ni daho beda coin. Now, I mean it continue going take ten ko pe coin. Okay?
Yeah.
That mean kai beda coin you are supposed to push where there is matter chuer chung ko. Kana chuer gihu ko ye yin binde ko you help that is coin.
Yeah.
Aner ka ta ho mo ko yite ko be wo chor ta ha me worry. Are you using that? Monu be da ko no. That means your responsibility in the life of that man is to make him great, and you all two will grow together.
Payment teach get again
Not walk. You see that? So man dia ko because there are a lot of things. Ti jo na da to. Cho na ko mun ho gian ne. Why? I cho uti ba grade. Ya grade tiene jegele ni. Tiene jegele rom puru yo ka do mo leveling yo ber. Ubinu kwa nyo peda do biti lopa. To apata ye binu kwa nyo tetero ko. Peda do mi lo yo no pien dok jok dero ba lo yo. So they go ni many men dunga cho magota because of misunderstanding in a home. Pien I yo be teacher da ko te be so close to the children. Misunderstanding not a bedo da ko te nyutu chakonen nyuti cho bore tino ba is a problem. Aneno chan piru da do papu ni podong kon pipi wun atinte don with that capability me koni papa ni ka loki pebe. In other family yini no itino ame chegi kere torogi they are calling I work ka galwa no tino lo yama koni they are rich men in waiting. They are rich men in waiting. They go back ni otuko ni papo kito then they take over. That is very bad. Mon family no pole ngo abe me ka do papo kweta ko mi ro ne kan ne we yo. Are you seeing that? So communication ke de beda me wundushi berunu. Let me tell you, a good family community beda me jo kom bedo bed kom ba kiti na ba ti no kom. You play with each other. You see that? Play with each other. Aya, kata moro bina be medon. Kata moro bina be medon. Kata ho ne obini ta moro medon. Don't fear. Okay, don't fear.
Baru pia to nyako kara che.
Now, neno tu ko love and affection. Affection. Ko do ngebedo do ngi on me cho ke de da. Do you know ni stress ja ni mi do nga cho do as I talk now be boshi. They are not working. That's the truth.
They are not working.
And most of social media in women, they are very proud to say ni men are 1 minute over what. Such kind of things very in peace, very good. The best way me can shopping sexually is maybe you better get stress. The best way me do go and think me da ogina konyer ada take lo cheating. Icho do pasu reception ne pasu petia be. Ko ba how are you going to perform?
Jara. That's not long.
Jalo.
Oba ochweo icho take connecting everything acquire in the brain. Ame kada cha ame gin kada dong with petty balance it up. However much you try ningo.
Pelare.
Akadi de chill ningo. It will not work.
That one.
So I don't know ni. All of us understanding each other better.
Yeah.
And then also, if you want that bedumeku chiot betie, stop living a regretful life. Aya, don't allow your heart maybe to walk only negative part of your husband or your wife. Kai ni mi kuoni ber ka megwako like a book record ni ndo roman ako ni mi achene meke duya petie ni ndo roman ni dako ni time ni ngo kani ko ni ngo gi kanono petia be eka bocho in unity no, this is the nature of women. Unity nena nyowan kani nature of women tieni however much a woman is rich thou very very happy kai mi e ginoro ame yai boro chali cho. However much they have everything. Kai women want surprise. That is what they want. Akari giri morupe kai go ginoni daddy mommy I brought for you something. No cha da don't pay inen na nena te uru. You see? Me dan we will quite ko di challenge go worre mo ratio ko me abedo ko beginner. Tineno. And be open. Di jo kene na as I talk now. Now even account gi da pe ngeo pe da dinge ji. The ginor ke kana metio binu in a family. Pe da ngeo. You see? Be open to your family. What if you die? Okotini. No you were dinuni kede di da ni kwere. So this thing is a two-way traffic. You love your husband will also what? Love you. You communicate with your husband will also communicate to you. When sitting in a family, when you are discussing critical issue apart from the bedroom issue, your children must be there. When disciplining a family, it disciplining kopu moro make to copy container onwal du lebo doggi kara di pon mei ot mir beda menti balance kay jalli ngara chel iberu turi bala ko gunu iberu won pashu so ginapira tag gunu meti watching wow is a good topic ame success media okay no? And I want to thank Jimmy so much me bedo hosting Johnny, but the thing is family church better take because of a family. Ka family ruyutie. Church pe better bear. Ka family ruyutie. Government pe better bear. Ka family ruyutie. Insecurity better tie. Why? They are going to raise wrong people. That's why in anything corridor tie because could no papers you atini ya teng mashuko. You see that? Awor ma chatia nenno immediate ame daho moro pe obeda tinere lo moro kelo daho o leo wang daho kena mo wor we hatin ugo chumal wiatin. Now are you seeing that? Now when the family is not okay, you are don't nene chana lo be no itino you are don't nene chana lo be itino. So like na tieni we should understand each other. This one as family has nothing to do with the religion, whether you're a Muslim, whether you are Hindu, whether you are what. Tieni family better bear kana yini war ba yeno better bear no kuji pashu. So I'm so happy today and to ginikobu touch point here. Then and look at the bidu negative the right thing being. And that is ginumi your one is discussion. Yorni ikelo ginor me to kelongo ateni. So I'm encouraging this discussion meda because there is a lot of feedback through Success Media TV. Donc ayi ni no wa me put pe subscribing obedo kelo jo apol. So Ahmed do kunwati akoboni understanding each other each other. Daho, cái cha mor ko mi tuwo tu ni chwari. Ko beni dari tina mi tuwo kedi.
Ito kano po.
Kanu polo. Ito ichame like for example, okay, ti like affection. Chawa me role me bedroom. Pe chakere within 30 minutes. Chakere chon. Mona riek. Ini cho dai nyan ni tin dressing code me tien nu ko ni papa tere tie. Movement kita dah dia tiba ke dango. Papa tere tie. Are you using that?
Nyan ako.
Dan
Ada tura gua tura.
They know ni dia gonya. And then also for to our women, you know, Joko ni dia ngage. Hotel ke Joko mon ti le lama ara ko gitu. I ever met your husband is tough. Your conduct and character adugulo no ping. Kita me beru ke den. Nenu miu char ko poko ni mat po ne ko ke ngo. Bible de ko ni gamu kopi muoro kwe ngo. Akema dano. That is the only thing. May God bless you. Why you?